Hello everyone, if you're getting this error when you try to plug in your USB device not recognized, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here device manager, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into universal serial bus controllers. And once you're here, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on all of these USBs one by one and then make sure this option is turned off. So just do it like I am doing. I'm making sure this option is turned off. And after you do that, now you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you can plug in your USB drive and you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.